So we're almost ready to print our document. But before we do that, I would like to arrange these few items according to the alphabetical order. So I select this and come to Home, and I'm going to sort them according to alphabetical order A to Z. Okay? Click on this, and there will be an option presented to you. I want to expand the selection. Now to explain this, imagine if I want to move this whole back door, this whole row up. What would you do? You will need to move this cell B11, C11, D11, E and F11, all this whole bunch, this whole row, move them up. Okay? So we have only selected this whole column. We need to expand to include column B, D, E, and F so that the sorting can be in order. Otherwise, you will only sort this column without taking into consideration that actually this whole row is a unit. Okay, so I'm going to choose expand the selection, sort, and true enough, you can see right now this whole row has been swizzled. Okay, they have been swapped. 1, 2, just to change their numbering so that they are according to the right sequence. Then I'm going to select this whole region, come to page layout. So over here you can choose your margin. Okay, the orientation, would you like to have a portrait or would you like to have it in a landscape instead? Let's just say I choose landscape. The size, A4 size, print area, page breaks, I can break over here if I want to. Let's just try this later on. Okay, now print preview, Control P, and there you have it. Okay, print preview. Assume that I insert a page break over here. You can see over here there's a page break. And if I were to select this again, Control P, I have now two sheets because they have been broken somewhere in the middle. Okay. So as to the use of these sheet options, this header and footer and sheet options, we will have a look at it next round when we deal with a lot of data, because these are especially useful when we wanted to print out a whole data set that stretches one table, okay, that stretches for a few pages. Then you will need to repeat certain columns, certain header columns. This will be really helpful. Okay, we'll see how it is applied next tutorial. Okay, thank you.